Hi everyone, my name is Steve and I'm a licensed psychotherapist, and I want to share something about myself that you may not be familiar with. And that's the fact that before I became a therapist, I was actually a professional speaker. I would still consider myself a professional speaker. I actually did two engagements last weekend. Now, what happened was I was petrified of public speaking, and I joined this organization called New York Toastmasters. Eventually, I got better after practicing and practicing. I became president of the organization, which led to me writing a book and training organizations about public speaking. And some of those organizations include orthopedic surgery associations. There were many colleges and different HR associations. So I still do some of that, but I also do a lot of professional speaking now on just mental health, about workplace effectiveness and burnout and coping skills, or even nonprofit organizations. I love professional speaking. I love helping people, providing workshops. So if that's something that your organization may need, reach out to me. I'd love to talk more with you about it.